You have names for them again?
No, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I don't want the berry.
Are you gonna get whiny?
No.
Okay, good. That's awesome. Uh-oh.
No, don't bury me. Don't bury me. Stop that, Mommy.
No, thank you.
I don't want to be buried.
Okay, well just wait till you ask again, and then I won't bury you then, okay? I want to bury you on my own terms.
No! Thank you.
Well, no thank you. I think I'd rather bury you.
No! I don't want you to do that.
Can I come in? Can I come in? Please?
No! It's very good. They're very.
How do you know it's not this one?
Hey, I want white ones.
Okay.
Oh, white ones?
No. Only white ones? Thank you.
You're welcome. That's good manners. Any more? I think we got them all. That's it. That's it? That's not a good way to go,
There's
sweetie.
Barry. No, there's Barry.
No, she lost Barry.
I like Barry was.
She just totally like stuck her face
Barry,
in there.
I can do it. Oh, Barry. No, that's big.
You asked for them.
A berry?
Oh, careful, sweetie. They still have tags on. Get ya.
Where is them?
Where's them what?
Where's the tag?
Look on the bear. Oh, think about it. What just hit you, sweetie?
Do you know your right and left?
She does.
Look at your right. Look.
This?
On the bear. On
Look.
his
Look
ear.
at. Look on your right. Now the bear on your right.
On his ear?
There.
Yeah.
See, that's what knocked you.
Go.
Oh, do it again. Make sure you do it again. Okay, go for the eye this time. Oh, there you go. Okay, sarcasm, sweetie. Remember, we talked about this.
I'm buried.
Yeah, you are. You asked to be buried.
I want all the white ones now.
You got all the white ones.
All the white ones.
You got
That
all the
is.
white ones.
That's all of them.
Those are brown.
I want all the brown ones now.
They're all brown.
I want
Which
all-
color are brown?
That one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
Oh, all of them? Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. I can do that. Here we go.
Oh, Barry! Get out, oh, Barry!
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Hey, guys! You're making me cry!
You asked for all the bears.
You're making me confused.
You wanted all the brown ones.
Oh. Stop it.
Only the brown ones.
They're all brown.
Only the brown ones.
Which brown ones?
That one.
Dark brown ones?
Mm-hmm. It's only the that now I'm just for me. Hey. Oh, the brown one? Then I need that. Then I need that one, that one. Then I need orange one.
Orange ones too? Oh, by color. Okay. Varying by color. Is this by painting by color?
Stuffing them down there.
Then I need all these ones.
These ones are called tan.
Tan ones. Tan ones. So soft. The white ones are really soft.
So there's a Dollar Tree up the street from me. Am I going to find these there?
Yeah.
I'm buried.
You are buried. Don't rock too much, you fall over again.
Yep.
Hey, I don't need
I don't want you to follow me again. See how many I can hold. Any more?
Potty.
Boing! Let's go.